Let us quickly look into the introduction of mobile applications. Nearly 5 years after Apple kicked off the mobile apps craze, the industry is booming. App stores run by Apple and Google now offers more than 7 lakh applications each. With so many apps to choose from, consumers are estimated to spend an average about 2 hours a day with these apps. Global revenue from app stores is expected to rise 62% this year to $25 billion, according to the Gartner survey. So you are not just building apps for fun. Building apps is a business and you need to earn money. So the app builders or the app developers nowadays are earning thousands of dollars each month. So if they can earn, so you can. So these are the most popular mobile apps: Android apps, iPhone apps, BlackBerry apps, Windows Phone apps, HTML5 apps. Among these, Android apps and iPhone apps are most popular among the public. So what are the advantages of creating the applications without programming? Do we need any programming knowledge to create applications? I say the most of the applications can be created without any programming language or coding. There are many websites available now for creation of applications without any coding. So what are the advantages of using these websites instead of coding? So first one is it's free. You can make as many apps as you want with unlimited updates at no cost whatsoever. If you want more features and great customization, you can upgrade at any time to one of the affordable paid versions, which is still far less than the thousands of dollars it costs to have an iPhone developer to make an app for you. The second advantage is it's jam-packed with features. Between built-in notification, HTML5 functionality, native high-resolution photo galleries, branding and design customization, live updates and more, you will be able to make a robust, high-quality mobile app to show off your awesome content. The third advantage is it's simple. Traditionally, creating an app from scratch requires a lot of manpower, money, and often an engineering degree. These websites has taken care of complicated parts to give you a code-free solution to making your own native apps in just minutes. And the fourth advantage or the benefit is it's cross-platform. This platform lets you instantly publish fully custom Android app and simultaneously submit a native iPhone app versions to the iTunes App Store with a single click. And the fifth advantage is it's the best way to display your content. An app lets you reach your user base instantly, delivering the most up-to-date content to the palm of their hand. By taking advantage of the features and functionalities of these platforms, you can engage your audience anytime, anywhere with a rich mobile experience. So who can use these websites for creating the applications? I would say anyone and everyone. Anyone with the content to share can make an app for an easy and effective way of reaching their audience. Be it a blogger, musician, small business, publisher, restaurant owner, school owner, or anybody. If you have got content to share, there is an app to be made with these portals. So there are thousands of popular websites which are available in the market for making the applications without any coding, and these are some of them which are the favorite application makers. We will be looking into one by one each by creating applications using these platforms. So in this course, first we will be making some of the applications for both Android and iPhone using App Maker, and then every week we will be making the apps different types of apps with the different websites. Like first week we will be making with app maker, and the next week we will be making apps with AppsGazer, and third week we will be making AppyPie. So each website has its own advantages, and you can create different types of applications in different types of websites. So let us not waste the time. So let us start building our applications.